Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crypto.com, Bitcoin, and some things I've been seeing that have been kind of hidden in the charts that people aren't really talking about. So first off, I want to say, guys, we're at 4,500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Can we get to 5K by the end of this week? That'd be huge. Once we're getting to 10,000, we're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now, guys. So today has kind of been a red day. I mean, usually going into the weekly close, we tend to just bleed out. It's kind of a reoccurring thing. It happens more so than not. But you know, it's nothing ridiculous. There's not any crazy capitulation. We're just trying to find a bottom on Bitcoin, really. We're just trading sideways, guys, sideways and down, and I think we'll probably find our bottom around 15,800. I don't even know if we'll really touch the bottom of where we fully wick down to about 15,000. I think it was 15,002. Let's check that out. I think it was about 15,002 is what we dipped down to. 15,005. Yeah, 15,530. Yeah. I don't think we're going to really dip down there. I think we'll try to find a bottom. Probably something like this. We probably just won't hit this wick down here. But so I want to talk about Bitcoin's bottom and what that means for crypto.com because there's some really interesting things to look at right now on Bitcoin. So here are the halvenings. You see this right here that I drew? Guys, this is the 2018 bottom. Right now is an amazing time to be buying Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin. I will say that other altcoins are probably pretty good, but there's still a chance that altcoins could bleed down another 50 to 60%. I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but there's definitely a possibility of that happening. And that I just want to be reasonable with you guys and not just only spread hopium because I think it's appropriate to look at both sides. I mean, that's how you make really good judgment calls when it comes to investing. But I think that right now is an amazing time to buy Bitcoin. And I do think that if you want to dollar cost average into projects you truly believe in, like CRO, I mean, I'm doing that right now. I think it's a great opportunity as well. But I wanted to say this. So this is from the 2018 bottom. So that was from this candle up to here. It wasn't even the full rally. It was just from this bottom up to here. Guys, from this bottom, it was about 3,000 to this top with this wick was about 13,000, but we won't measure it to the wick. We'll measure it from the body of the candle. That was to 10,400. If we from 3,000 to 10,400 in the 2018 bottom, if we get that same move from this, say if this is the bottom, 15,000 is the bottom, guys, this move would bring us to nearly 40,000. That's a quick doubling of your investment on Bitcoin. Guys, I mean, the fair value of Bitcoin, I just think this is pretty incredible to be buying right now. I think it's it's a great opportunity. It's not financial advice, but it's a great opportunity, and I've been buying. If I had more dry powder, I'd be buying even more if I could. Not doing anything ridiculous like over leveraging myself or anything like that, but I am looking for entries over on Femex to do some long positions. I think in the near future, especially because after this week, there's a lot of craziness that's going to happen this week. But if you want to enter in a long position over on Femex, in our description box below, all you gotta do is click the link, sign up, and deposit. Open a trade, and you can get up to $4,100 in a free trading bonus towards a trade. So it's great. But I'm looking for a long position over on Femex right now. But probably soon I'll enter one. I think probably after this week, after the craziness, everyone's talking. All the family gatherings are together. Everyone's talking about crypto and the craziness, and everyone's telling their family it's a great buying opportunity. You never know. You never know. It's interesting to see what will happen on Thanksgivings when it's not a bull market, because in the bull markets, that's usually when we have crazy hype builds up and then we crash. That's usually what happens in Thanksgivings during bull markets. But yeah, guys, just think about that for a second. So if we have this short move up, it's kind of like when the halvening hype really starts, honestly. So and call it like in January, there'll be about 365 days through till the next Bitcoin halvening. We could easily have a move like this from the bottom, and that's, guys, that is a you'll double your money. What percent gain is that? Let's measure this and see what the percent gain of that is. Yeah, 140% gain. Yeah, that'd be incredible, guys. That'd be so incredible, and I think that's possible. So what does that mean for CRO? So CRO, we're still trading in this 5 to 10 cent range. I think that we'll probably test this. I don't think we're going to come all the way down. In my previous video, I was talking about I don't think we're going to be coming all the way down because this is kind of from a capitulation event and the panic of all the FUD getting pressed about Crypto.com. But guys, keep in mind, FIFA World Cup right now. FIFA World Cup right now. I've been seeing photos. I've been seeing Crypto.com plastered everywhere. It's pretty awesome. Just think what that means for the user base in the next coming 6 months to a year. You know, it's really, really exciting to see all of it. It's plastered. 5 billion viewers, guys. That's incredible. And I love how they're marketing it towards their goal is to target the next 1 billion crypto users. That's so cool, and it's so cool to be a part of this. That's why I'm buying it up, guys. I'm buying this Crypto.com. You know, especially when you're buying the fear, there's just great opportunities, especially when you couple that with where Bitcoin is. So let's talk about where Bitcoin is again. Let's look at this, the Bitcoin rainbow chart. So this is an updated version of the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and I find it quite interesting that they do it because, you know, we kind of broke in the previous one before. This is the version 2. It was breaking out of the rainbow chart, so they thought it was broken. You know, and charts do break. Charts definitely do break. And you can take from that what you will. I mean, it's always good to see charts working out, but when they break, you definitely need to reassess things, and you need to figure out, well, is this broken, or did I miscalculate building this chart? But so let's see what they said. So right now they basically put us back in the basically a fire sale territory. But so let's see what it says here for their updated version. So what's new? The Rainbow Chart version 2 is based on a completely new formula fitted with the data until 2022. The new fit explains every move so far. The old one had a couple of wicks outside the rainbow. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. But the wicks were coming out. That's why I said it's a crazy buying opportunity. But due to the recent events, the potential trajectory of the Bitcoin price is not as bullish as the old one. You can now zoom and pan into the chart as you like. You can add more years to the rainbow chart. Yeah, they changed it basically because they thought it was broken. Look what they say here. A new dawn. As you have noticed, the original Bitcoin rainbow chart is dead. Wow, that's pretty crazy for them just to come out and say that like that. The chart, which is based on a model developed in 2014, held for quite some time. But after a brutal 2022 in the crypto industry, it was no longer valid. That's very true, guys. This crypto market in the past 2022, and over even in the like macroeconomics, in like the traditional market, it's been absolutely brutal because of just like the monetary policy. It's absolutely insane what has been done, the money that's been printed, the money that's been getting taken out of the market, the Federal Reserve raising rates. It's been absolutely crazy, guys. The shutdowns, like, it's catching up with us, guys. It's catching up with us, guys. But we're still in an amazing buying opportunity here. Amazing buying opportunity here. It's pretty cool to look at this, too, because they've got for the rankings for each of these when it gets to different time zones. So let's say that in the halvening, let's say if we get to the yellow band, for the HODL, it's between 66K and 88K. Like that's guys, Bitcoin is great. Bitcoin is a money go up technology. I've heard some people call it, you know, and it really is. It's really exciting to see where it could possibly go. I believe in crypto. I use the technology on a daily basis. I like to play around in DeFi ecosystems, NFT ecosystems. I love it. I think it's really interesting. I think it's a technology that's going to be around forever. And I think it's going to just keep developing, guys. But yeah, guys, so for CRO, you know, we're just going to keep trading in between this line until we have a pump up. I mean, if Bitcoin really, we're over here. If Bitcoin really bounces up and does something similar to a 2018 bottom, which is it's so likely that something like this could happen. If it bounces up like that, I mean, CRO is going to definitely break out of this formation here, and we'll probably break past 10 cents. But what we really got to be paying attention to is the FIFA World Cup, because that's kind of like the holy grail here of how many viewers are going to be seeing Crypto.com and are going to be being exposed to Crypto.com for the first time, and even crypto as a whole. It's so exciting, guys. I think in the next year or so, we'll definitely have over 100 million users. We've reached 70 million users. I wouldn't be surprised if we have 200 million users, 200 million users for Crypto.com in the coming year. It'd be very, very exciting. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. Crypto Kip and I are going to be fleshing out our Patreon. So if you want to help support us, please subscribe to that. We have a supporter tier right now, and I think we're going to be building out a nice private Discord I'm really excited about. But there's a lot of secret things I can't talk about that are coming around the corner. So, guys, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.